Okay, so I think I don't know if I ever mentioned it, but hello. And as far as I know, I had once said that Margot's might have had the best cakes and other pastries and desserts, but I'm at Dolci and Sapori today, and I got this. That's all about succulence right there. This is their standard chocolate cake, and it's almost identical to the one that they have at Margot's, which I have said is the best. The aroma coming off of it is just crazy. Chocolate delight. Anyway, just so you know, it kind of comes with a little piece of candy of the chocolate persuasion. White and dark meat, or white and dark chocolate. Anyway, this is the chocolate cake. Dolci and Sapori. You get Sosua, knock it down. Goes great with a hot, warm day. Nice atmosphere. Can't beat it. If you're in the area, check it out. But as far as I know, this and Margot's, they have it on lockdown so far. Until next time, take care of yourself. See you on the next one.